Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add self-introduction on Chamet. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chamet application. Now click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Here tap on My Profile option. And here you can see self-introduction option. Tap on it. Now in the text box, type in something about yourself. After you're done, click on the right sign option in the top right corner. Now whenever people will view your profile, they'll also be able to see the text that you've just added. So that is how you can add self-introduction on Chamet application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.